Hey guys, today I want to show you how you can actually remove any object from your picture. Any object from your picture. To help you to do it, and it's so easy. So first thing is that you just go to your browser, whether you're using Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, any kind of browser. So this is my Chrome. I'm using Chrome browser. I'll just open it. Now this website is called cleanup.pictures. If you can see it very well, you can see it. Cleanup.pictures. So easy, smooth. Now the next thing you want to click, when you select, you come to this website. This is how it's going to load. You now click on tap here to load your picture. That's what you will do. So you're going to click on tap here to load your picture. Next, that's what I'm going to do. So it's going to open your phone gallery for you. You can see this is my phone gallery. Now just open my phone gallery properly, and then I'm going to select the picture I want to remove. I want to remove the object, okay, because it can do so many crazy stuff. So now look, let me just pick one picture. Let me see which one is this. I think, okay, let me use this picture. So I picked this other picture now. So when you pick the picture, this is how it's going to look like. You can see it very clearly here. This is exactly how it will look like this, something like this. Okay, now when this is done, you would now come and click on what is it called, continue with SD. This one, you click on it. This Try Pro 3 days is the paid version of the app, because it actually has a paid version. So if you want to enjoy unlimited stuff, you can just do that and use it anytime you want. So click on continue with SD. And when I click on continue with SD, I'm just going to wait. So this is how it's going to look like. Now this is where the trick comes in. Now what is the object I want to remove? So I'm having a dome camera, I'm having a bullet camera, I'm having a monitor, I'm having a DVR, all of that. So I'll just click on the object I want to remove. So I want you to look at this very carefully. I want to remove this bullet camera. I'm just going to touch it. You can see that I just touched it I just use my finger to touch it. Okay, so when I click on touch, when I just touch it like that, next thing I want to do is to click on clean. Look at clean. Clean is at the bottom right. Let me just use my arrow. This clean. So I'm going to click on clean. I want you to look at it very carefully. Look at the image before, and then we're going to see the after. There's a bullet camera here. So let us wait and let us see the magic that this website is going to help you do, because you can use it to do crazy stuff. So let's just wait for it to take out that object that we have. Oh my god, just look at it. Did you see the object there again? No, nobody will know that there was a bullet camera here. I mean, just look, it just went off straight away. But if I'm going to go to my gallery, look at this picture now, and if I want to download it, this download icon here, this is download. This is it. This is the download button. So that's how to download. You don't have any issue. Now look at my picture. I'll just click on download straight to my phone. How down to download it? I want to send it through email, blah blah blah, all of that, more, and different tricks that you want to do. Those are just actually ways of downloading. So it takes out the image completely. Nobody will notice. Now look at this AI. Look at this picture. I'm going to quickly go back to my gallery so that you would see for yourself. I'm going to, where's my camera? Let me look for that AI picture. Now look at it. There's a bullet camera here. Have you seen? This is a bullet camera. Very, look at it here. This is a bullet camera. But if I'm going to go back to this website, you can see clearly now. You can see clearly now that it's no longer there. So this is a simple trick of removing objects from your photos. If you enjoy my video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like, share the video to your friends, share it to your family, share it to your enemies, share it to everybody. And join my membership. Go to my YouTube, click and join my membership, join my community, so that you can get amazing tricks on technology. Till I come your way, this is Jide Juniors. One love.